friends, welcome to DoDex. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of my new PC. So here is my new PC. This is an HP laptop and here you can see the HP logo. And if I talk about the features, this is an Intel R7R processor N4020 and this contains a 1 TB hard drive, but I upgraded it to 240 SSD, and this hasn't got an optical drive. This is Windows 10 and the battery pack is 3 cell 41 watt battery pack and 4 GB RAM. Also I upgraded to 8 GB RAM and the display is 15.6 FHD LED display and the type of HP is 15S DU1086D, and especially this laptop is very good for use at office, home, and if you are a student, this is also good for your school work and everything. So you can see the Intel mark badge here, and now let's unbox our PC. Okay, here you can see our HP laptop, and here is our charging pad, so I will tap it also. Here is the plug point. And I received two plug points. I especially use this type plug point, so I plug this part to this. Okay. Now here is the charger, and this is the manual. And now let's see our laptop. Here is our HP laptop, and this is the back side, and now let's open and see it. Here you can see the display I said before, and here is the keyboard, here is the Intel sticker, and now let's turn on the laptop. is the screen of our laptop. So I connected a mouse so it will easy to use. And wait a second. Okay, here is the screen. You can see the background. So here is the performance, the CPU, and here is the memory. And I said you that there is no optical drive. And this is the GPU, the graphic card, Intel RUHD Graphics 600 graphic card. And the CPU performance is 1.10 gigahertz. You can see the 8 GB RAM memory, and they are the main features. Let's see others. Here are the system informations, and you can see them. OS Microsoft Windows 10 Home Single Language version 10.10, this version. Other OS descriptions are not available. Here are the other things. And this is the ending part of my video. So I recommend you to buy an HP good laptop when you buy a PC. So good luck and bye. See you next time.